a recognition of a very good partnership that we're just about to launch this afternoon. Your numbers are growing, and I'm very happy for your hotel. I was just telling earlier, our house is just like 2 blocks away. We're at the back. So I always have to stop this part and do a shortcut going to Alabang Hills. And I told you earlier, sir, that I always notice this hotel that's always full house. And I can imagine that you must have a busy day-on-day activities in your hotel. And I'm not surprised. You're growing 10 years with 10 hotels is a big achievement. And congratulations.
Thank you very much.
And not only that, imagine they also have 61 hotels in Bangkok and 4 in Japan. First of all, these two countries are also our top destinations as far as international is concerned. We fly approximately about 14 or more on a daily basis. And as a matter of fact, for Bangkok, 1 city alone, okay? And for Japan, we fly to 2 cities. We fly Narita, Osaka, and coming soon, this coming end of October in Nagoya, and by first quarter in Okinawa. So I think we are really destined, Air Asia, and of course our good friends Hop In, to be the best of partners. And not only that, what a coincidence, right? We are looking at ASEAN. So I hope it's not only Thailand, wherein Air Asia is the market leader. I think Air Asia's market share in Thailand is a big 50 to 60%. I have to confirm that. I know we have some media friends here, but we just have to make sure that we will be able to give you a good red carpet treatment. And please do maximize our market leadership in Thailand, sir. And not only that, I know we're not as big as our competitors in the Philippines, but we're getting there. Hopefully, this December, which is peak season, we will be increasing our flights to about 150 to 160 flights per day. And we would be glad to bring the customers direct to Hop In the future. So I think this is not just a partnership with regards to providing incentives to your customers, your clients, but more importantly is that we will be working together as we grow with one another. And I just would like to emphasize to everyone, Air Asia is actually an ASEAN company. It's an ASEAN airline company. So we have Thailand Air Asia, Indonesia Air Asia, Philippines Air Asia, Malaysia Air Asia, of course, where our headquarters is. But we just recently launched also Cambodia Air Asia. And there will be more Air Asia countries coming soon. But of course, we also fly, for example, to Singapore and all others. We fly as far as the Middle East, Australia, and coming soon, hopefully by next year, we will be flying direct to the USA. Okay? Moving forward, so we know we're ASEAN, we're in the top, I would say 5 in the whole of Asia. But what is more important is we are a value for money airline company. And that's exactly a huge market percentage in the Philippines. Majority of the brands in the Philippines are actually value for money. And last but not the least, I also would like to thank media who has been helping Air Asia. And this time, I hope you'll be able to announce our big partnership with Hop In. I'm very impressed. As a matter of fact, everything, I didn't expect it to be this very much prepared, but I know Hop In now, as I asked you, what a good price you just mentioned earlier. And I know that since I'm a neighbor of yours, I know that walking around this community, and more important is, I think, to spend more staycations in your hotel. Okay? And again, to our Philippines Air Asia team, thank you very much, team, for this partnership. Looking forward that our partnership with Hop In will grow and grow until I think we'll be able to achieve as you go towards more hotels or even double your number of hotels in the next 5 years. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.